Good morning, sir. My name is Sandeep. I am studying grade 9 at KB School. I have successfully completed vocabulary building challenge in 2024. Now I am presenting subcategories and types of noun. Types of noun. Noun. A noun is a word that name of people, places, things, or ideas. Types of noun. Noun divided into 8 types. Common noun. General names of people, places, things, or ideas. Common noun divided into 2 types. There are singular noun, plural noun. Singular example boy, girl. Plural example boys and girls. Proper noun. Definition. Proper noun. Name of places, things, or organization. Proper noun divided into 3 types. Names of people, names of places, names of organization. Names of people. Sandeep Shiva. Names of places. Hyderabad, Telangana. Names of organization. Facebook, Snapchat. Abstract noun. Abstract noun definition. Names of ideas, qualities, and states. Abstract noun divided into 3 types. There are emotion, qualities, concepts. Emotion example happiness, anger. Qualities example family, team. Concepts example ability. Collective noun. Concrete noun. Name of things that can be seen and touched. Concrete noun divided into 2 types. Countable noun, uncountable. Countable noun example bicycle, bike. Uncountable example anger. Collective noun. Name of group of people, animals, object. Group. Collective noun divided into 3 types. Group of people, group of animals, group of object. Group of people example family, team. Group of animal. Bench collection. Group of object. Chair, bench. Countable noun. Things can be counted. Uncountable noun. Things can't be counted. Compound noun. Things can be counted. Component divided into 3 types. Closed component, open component, hyphenated component. Closed component example rainbow. Open component example bus stop. Hyphenated component example mother-in-law chicken. Thank you, sir.